fact, I'm still working on my PhD, and I'm not a doctor at all at the moment. That's why I don't want to give that as documented. And I'm working a lot in the field of standardization, in particular for quality management, quality assurance, and learning education and training. I'm coming from the University of Duisburg-Essen, and just to tell you where Essen is, but as I promised, I'd like to keep it short. Here's some impressions from Essen. And what we are doing is also easy to explain. We are addressing three main topics, that is e-learning, competence modeling, and quality management and evaluation, and that always together with standardization in different sectors from K-12 up to lifelong learning and adult learning. Okay, and some facts about our new institute that we have established only 1 month ago. That's called TEDIC, the Institute for Technology Enhanced Learning and Innovation in Didactics, Training and Quality. You can see here that we are running a lot of projects in the European and also international level, and we are also exclusive partner of SAP in the field of students training for that. And why I'm here? I'm here because we have a wonderful meeting of another project that is also dealing with agriculture. That's why I want just to mention it. That could also be interesting maybe for you. That project is called VOIR, and it's the abbreviation for Virtual Open Access Agriculture and Aquaculture Repository. And we are setting up here now virtual that means the harvesting of repositories in the fields of agriculture and aquaculture, starting with around 2 up to 3 million digital learning objects here. And have a look on our website that is stated here above to find more out, and you're also welcome to join our community. Okay, let's start. That is the agenda of our very short speech here today. I'd like to go with you through 6 questions. First, if we want to talk about the needs for quality management and competence developing ourselves, why do we need quality management and competence modeling? And that is bringing up the questions, what is quality, what are competences? Finally, I've also promised to say something about certifications. That's why, what are certifications? The 4th question. Then I'd like to convince you that there's a specific means called standards that can bring value and serve as a good instrument for the application of quality management and competence modeling. And finally, I'd like to give you a short overview of what is existing, what are available tools that you can use right now. I will give you a short summary about the future, what will happen during the next few years, and in the annex and the backup you can find further information about the topics. Okay, quality management and competence modeling. First question, as a reminder, why do we need it? Any ideas? You're waiting now for me. I can imagine. Okay, I will say something. Yes. Okay. First, I'd like to say quality is most important for any kind of learning education training, and I hope you agree. Any objections? Okay, that seems to be easy. Then I'd like to tell you competence modeling is also most important for learning success and HR development. Do you agree? No? Not everybody? Okay, maybe we will have to convince you here a little bit more. Well, first of all, we have to look at our backgrounds that we are facing now, and we can call it digital age, or it's called in many other wordings. It's equal what label you are put on it. But first, we have to realize that there are 2 big changes during the last, let's say, few decades. And that is, first, we have through globalization. Of course, there were always global markets before, but now globalization is covering almost every part of our world and of all enterprises and organizations. And second, now you have into a lot of new situations listed here below, and the idea is that we need in particular competence modeling, because through the competence development you can ensure that your employees as well as your organizations are meeting the success factors of the future, because we don't need further qualifications or stable competences for the next decades, but you have to be flexible. You have to be flexible to adapt to new challenges, new technologies, new opportunities. And for that reason, we need also innovations in learning education and training, in particular in vocational education and training, to reach suitable and satisfying level of skills and competences to be applied in working spaces and working life. Okay. I hope I could answer the first question, why do we need that? The second question is, what is quality? And yes, I have brought something with me, and I hope that you can enjoy a little bit, because around, please open and share it with everybody. That's some sweeties from my hometown, and I hope they are also tasty for you. I will ask you a question later